Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the conic sections. Why they are known as conic sections, what are the different forms of the conic sections, and what is the analytical definition of the conic section. When we want to learn about the conic sections, actually we say any of the section cut from a circular cone by a plane is known as the conic sections. So we can understand why it is a conic section, because it is a section cut from the cone. Now the way the plane cuts the section from the cone describes the form of the conic section. Now what are the different forms of the conic sections? Let's learn and how they are formed. First one comes the circle. When we cut a circular cone by a plane which is parallel to the base, then it forms a circle. This thing we have learned in the video when we were learning about the frustum of a cone. See here, suppose this is a cone. And we cut it by a plane parallel to the base. Then we find that a circle is formed here. This is a circle. Circle is also one of the conic sections. We have already learnt about the circle, its equations and all in the previous videos on the circle. Next is an ellipse. When a plane cuts the section from a circular cone such that the plane is not parallel to the base, but the base is not cut, it means it is cutting only the curved surface, then that is an ellipse. We can see here, suppose this is a cone and a plane not parallel to the base but not cutting the base, it means curved surface area only is cut, then the section which is formed here is an ellipse. This is an ellipse. Now next is the parabola. The section cut from a circular cone by a plane which is also not parallel to the base, but it is cutting some part of the base also. That is, like suppose we have a cone here like this, and the plane, slanting plane, not parallel to the base, is cutting it like this. The base is also cut. Then what we find, the shape of the conic section will be like this. And this is only the parabola. Next conic section is hyperbola. If we have a double cone like this, the vertices of which are joining at this point, and a plane cuts the bases of both like this, then the curve or the sections will be like this, and this forms hyperbola. So this is known as the hyperbola. Now we learn about the analytical definition of a conic section. If we have point P, the locus of this point such that its distances from a fixed point S, which is known as the focus of the conic section, and from a fixed line which is known as the directrix of the conic section, are in a constant ratio, is a conic section. It means if we have this point P, then PS upon PM is a constant, and the constant is represented by E, which is known as the eccentricity of the conic section. For different types of conic sections, the values of eccentricity are different. We will be learning this in the next video. In the next video, we will be learning about the elements or parts of a conic section. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.